Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Today I will show you how to fix the tree to the slit board. I found the way to fix it. Normally just put the soil in and plant it, and then that's all. But if you plant a long tree, or if you plant a tree with a few roots, the tree will move after repotting with the wind comes or something, and then the root won't grow, and it's not good for the bonsai tree. So I show you how to fix it. Alright, first prepare the wire, this wire, and put the wire from inside and take the outside. Here, same, from inside to outside, like this. Make like this, and the wire is coming out from the slit here, and the very opposite side here, coming through out from here and here. Okay, this two place, and the wire is like this. Okay, secondly, put the soil in. Like this, okay, and plant the tree. Watch it, okay, and pull down the wire coming from inside, like this, and flip the other side too. The other side, like this. Okay, then you can see, they can stop the tree like this. You can fix it. When you plant the normal pots, like triangle pots, and there's a hole very center of the pot, so you can put the mesh there with the fix with the wire, and going through the wire to fix the tree, so you can fix it. But this part you can't do that because there's no hole in the center of the bottom, so use this one. I found this way, so this is my way to stop the tree with wire to the slit pot. Okay, so the next one, if the tree is really long like this, and there's only few roots over here, and you want to plant to this small pot, you even if you plant it deeper, maybe tree will fall down because there is no root, it's unstable. So I'll show you how to plant this and fix the pot. This time, okay, I'll show you that. First, you use the wire again. This time I'm using a little thicker wire. Last one is a 1.2 aluminum. This one is a 1.5 aluminum because it's more heavy tree. So I have to fix it stable. So I'm choosing a thicker wire. Okay, making the same like this, like before, last one. And after this, you put the wire together to make this thing. Okay, put the wire in like this, put it together, and soil here. Okay, put the tree in like this, and roll the wire to the tree. Yes. So now you can stop the tree. It's fixing. You see? So it won't fall down. You can easily do this. Very easy. And it's finished, and the tree will grow up And when times after a few months, in Japan it's June or July, and to grow up and it will be thicker. And when the trunk getting thicker, the wire will penetrate. So before penetrate, I like to take it off. When you like to take off, you just unhold this wire like this and cut wire here, just here, and use the plier and pulling down this place, the wire, then you can take out the wire, so the wire never going to penetrate. So that's good to use this. So this is a very good and useful way I found out there. And this is, so I just show you. So thank you for watching, and I recommend you to do the same. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.